Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Sayyid Muhammad Ashar Bukhari. Today we are going to work on Solid Edge V20. I am going to make a crankshaft using reference plane. First I click on solid part. This interface appears. The default settings in it are in inches. I am going to change it into millimeters. Click on file, then file properties, then click on the units tab, then from inches to millimeters, and then click on OK. The units are changed, it's all done. Then to start, click on the simple protrusion command. Here as you can see, the default is constant plane, and we are going to make it into a parallel plane. A selected drop-down window appears, click on the parallel plane. Then I click on the plane to which the parallel plane is created. Click on this, and this parallel plane is created. I make it at a distance of approximately. Okay, then I click on this. Now it's all done. Firstly, I'm going to make a disc by using the circle command. I click on the center and then make a circle like this. As we are assuming it, so its length, the diameter doesn't matter. Click on return. Then we can make a disc of approximately. It's all done, and then click on it. Then I click on finish and then cancel. To make a crank pin on the face of the first disc, I click on protrusion and take the reference face of the first disc. I click on it, then click on and I make a small. Okay. Now I click on return. As you can see, the crank pin is created. I am going to make it at a 40. It's in the right way. I click it, then I click on finish, then click on cancel. To make it the another disc on the other side of the crank pin, I click on the protrusion command. Then I take the face of the crank pin as my reference. Click on the face command, then circle by center. I click center of both planes. Then I make it inside the first circle. Then I click on it. Then I click on return, and this should also be a diameter of. On finish and cancel. Now our half part is ready. To make it a long bar through both sides of the disc, I click on the button, take the face of the first disc as my reference, click on the and center, so size of diameter. Now I can take it as a 100 millimeter. Okay, then click on this, on finish, cancel. To make the long bar on the other side, click on rotate to get it into this direction. I click on protrusion and then select the face, this, and then equal the center. I make it to a diameter where this coincides, and now you can see that coincides. Then click on it, click on return, click on rotate to make it a better view. Then close the rotate view. I make okay, then click on finish, cancel. Now I'm going to make a small disc over here. I select this should be of 15 millimeter. Okay, then click on the finish. We are going to make it to the another side. Rotate it in command and then select it. Select the circle and click on the circle, and this. Then we're going to and again make it silver. Make it coincide to the previous one, and here it coincides. Return, and to make it a better view, click this first and approximately 20. Now Crankshaft is ready. I'm going to beautify part painter. For this purpose I click on format, then part painter, plan, then I create first color orange, this is green, and now red. Our discs are red, and I'm going to make for the blue. Where is the blue? Where is the blue? And where is blue? Okay, then close it, then rotate it either way. Our beautiful crankshaft is now ready. Now I'm going to save it. File, save as, and crankshaft, and then save it. Okay, thank you. If you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. Okay, bye.